Hey, what's up, guys? My name's St. Jane. Today, guess what? Got my top surgery revision date, which is amazing. Like, I'm really happy for it. You guys are probably like, dude, you're getting a revision? Yeah, I am. I am really happy with my results. Like, I am really happy with it. But if I get a free revision, why not take it? Because there are some minor tweaks that I don't like in it, and I'm going to show you guys, okay? Should I take off my shirt? Because it's going to be a shirt take off. If you cannot tell, I just took a shower, so I've got a clean body, so let's do it. Boom. Yeah. So, yeah, this is my scars and everything. Looks pretty good. These are some stuff that I want done. So, you can tell right here, definitely not like that. The one thing why I don't like it is, like, you can, like, feel, like, when I have a shirt on, you can just feel the bump there. Like, I've always thought, like, I might just get, like, a tattoo someday. But then why do I have to think about that? Like, why do I have to think like that? Like, I don't want to think, oh, I hate my body that I'm going to tattoo over it. Like, I just want to get a revision. Like, you know, I'm going to get a free revision. Boom. I won't have to spend like 50, 60, 70, $100 on a tattoo to fix it. And what if I don't like that tattoo in a year? You know, like, I'm still skeptic about tattoos. Like, I love tattoos on other people. I want tattoos on my body, but I'm just that kind of guy. Like, I like something, but then after a month, I get sick of it. So, like, I don't know what to tattoo on my body, you know? That's the kind of guy I am. Like, I remember when I was a kid, I'm totally off topic now, but I remember when I was a kid, I loved Fetty Wap, 1738, you know, Trap Queen, like, that was my song, and I literally said, one day I'm gonna get 1738 written somewhere, like, it was written just, like, 1738, you know, and now look, like, maybe, I mean, that would be pretty cute to have this one leg be, like, everything, like, childhood to now, what I was obsessed with, like, 1738 would be, like, the song, you know, but yeah, totally got off topic. But yeah, like, that's why I don't want to have a tattoo yet, because, like, I come up with things that then I'm like, that would kind of be awkward. But yeah, but my favorite number is 17 now because of that, so. All right, so now let's get back on topic. So, yeah, I don't like how it has, like, the little bump right there. Like, just look at that. Did I not even tell you the date? February 9th is the date of my top surgery revision. February 9th, in a week and a half from today. This is amazing. This is awesome. And then February 6th, I will be 9 months post-op top surgery. So right now I'm like 8.5 months, which is really cool. And look how good, look how good my scars on this side looks. 8.5. I'm not even, usually it takes up to like a year to 2 years to completely heal. Like, just look at that. And like, I'm really happy with my nipples. My nipples are my favorite part. I don't like them. Why I don't like them is because, tell me if you guys have top surgery and it happens to you. One will get like so hard and like shrink, you know? Like, it'll be like this big and it'll shrink to like that big. And the other one will be so soft and like big. I'm like, oh, I don't like when one looks, so I like how it looks when it looks hard and small. I like it because like they're literally so small and I like how small they are. But then one will be so small and the other one will be so big. I'm like, oh, now I just look weird. Does that happen to you guys? I don't know. I just know. But yeah, I do hate that. And then also, if you can see, like, there's like a boob right there. So I think they're going to do, I think they said nipple tuck. So I'm guessing it's just going to be like grab this and like pull it down like that or something and just kind of cover it up like that. It will be like more pokey, but like I kind of like it. I don't know. So they're going to do something like that, which, yeah, the most scariest part, like why I'm scared. First of all, it's going to be open. So like I'm going to be awake for the surgery. Which is going to be, like, very scary being awake for the surgery, I feel like. What they said is they're going to send me some pills in a week, and then the day of, like, 30 minutes to an hour before my surgery, I have to take it, and it's going to be, like, it's going to make me, like, all woozy or whatever, like kind of relax, you know, so I'm not stressed, you know. And I feel like that's good, because I'm going to be really stressed, and you know how I am. I freak out over everything. And then I guess they're just going to, like, numb everywhere and then just do it, which is going to be very scary. But, like, I'm ready for the surgery. I'm more scared. I'm not really scared about that. First of all, if they're going to give me some kind of drug, it's going to obviously make me, like, loopy and everything. So I'm probably not even going to remember it. Like, I know I will be awake, but that drug's probably going to relax me so well, I'm probably not even going to know what happened, which I'm really happy about. But another thing is, I'm more scared of work, because if this happened, this is my worst part right here. If I didn't have this, I might have not got the revision. Like, yes, I hate this bump right here, but I could probably work this out. It probably is extra fat that they forgot, and all I have to do is just hit the gym and, you know, work it out. Which, I also did spend like $7,000 on this. They should have got it right the first time, you know, like, that's why they're giving me a revision, you know. But this was my fault slash like work's fault, but also my fault because it is my body, and if I care about it, I should have just said no to the manager. So what happened is most of those managers quit, you know. But what happened was, obviously you're out for a while, you know, you're out for a while after this big surgery, mostly double incision. I think this is the most extreme surgery than just like a little keyhole or periolar where they just go around the nipple. This, they literally sliced my whole body open, ripped up the skin and grabbed it and then put it back in place. And like, that's pretty dangerous and scary, you know, mostly how small of a person I am, you know. But it's just like, they were like, after a month or two, they're like, dude, why is Clayton still on headset? Like, but because some people don't know, you know, what I went for, because I don't want them to know. Like, work does not need to know my personal life. I know some people watch this video, some people watch my videos, cool, that's awesome, but you don't gotta talk about this at work or any people with work. Like, that's embarrassing, you know? Like, you don't talk about me, you know? Even if it's good or bad, I feel like just don't do it because you're outing me. Because some people at work still don't know, because we get new people every single day. If you work at fast food restaurant, people quit every day. So, I'm kind of just scared about, like, having it happen again. So they were like, dude, why is Clayton not So they put me at the window, which, dude, it was just the worst part ever, because you could feel it stretch, and, like, I don't know, I felt forced to go to the window. They were all quit or whatever, but, like, still, I felt so forced, and that's why this happened, because I had to keep handing people out. And, you know, if you've worked for fast food restaurants, you know that people are so dumb. They park literally a mile away, and you have to like ask a coworker to hold your fucking feet, and you have to go out like this. Yeah, get it? And it's so funny because the other person that parked a mile away just go like this. Thanks. It's like, stretch out of your fucking car, bitch. God, I hate fast food. I love cooking. You guys know. Like, I went to culinary school. I didn't finish, but like, I still love cooking, mostly for fun. But never in my life am I gonna go for fast food. Which I guess if I wanted to cook, I'd probably go to a real fancy restaurant, you know, and cook there. But fast food, after I quit this job, never again am I doing fast food. And if I do, you know, I'm in a low part of life because I hate fast food. Working there, and plus I've gained some chub working there. Yeah, not happy about that. But I just am going to stick up for myself now, and I don't care what anyone said. Because the GM was like, I told her about this, and she's like, oh, cool. Okay, you're going to get surgery again, a revision, cool. I'll probably just put you in back booth. I'm like, no, that's where I don't want to be, because that's why I have this. Because in back booth, they park a mile away, and I have to stretch, and I'm not stretching one bit. Like, my surgery is more than anything. I'm literally only going to take off a week, but how many days I requested off was 4 days, because I have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday off every single day. I take 3 days off a week, because we got the money right now, you know, to do it. We save up, and then now we can take off more days, and then if we ever need to, we just got to put our availabilities back in, you know. But then all we work is like the weekend. We work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And then, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we have off. So I'm going to do it, I think, whenever February 9th is. I think it's on a Tuesday or a Thursday. I think it's on a Tuesday. Hopefully, I hope it's on a Tuesday, but it might be a Thursday. It's either a Tuesday or, wait, it's either a Wednesday or Thursday. I don't know exactly what day, but it's going to be one of those days it's going to fall on, which is good. And then I only took off a couple more days. But when I go, I'm not going to try to do anything. I'm not reaching. I'm not doing anything. Like, this surgery means everything. And I think I only need to, like, lay low for, like, a month or so. I don't know for sure. Because it's not going to be a major surgery. They're just going to do, like, a part right here, and then they're going to cut this off. So my left hand, I'm going to have to be right-handed for a while. Because on my right hand, they're only going to do right here, I think. That's as far as I remember. They're going to do like nipple tuck on both of them, because there is kind of like a boobie right here. So nipple tuck both of them, they said something like that, and then they're going to cut that open probably and like redo it. So I'll be able to move this arm a lot more than I'll be able to move this arm. But yeah. And then I'm probably going to have to redo, what's it called? Scar care and shit like that, because I'm going to get new scars. But I don't know. I'm excited, but scared at the same time. We're also going to be in our new place. We move in to our new place in 3 days, so I'll be in my own apartment, and it'll be cool. But yeah, thank you guys for listening to this. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for all your subscribers, lovers. Thank you for all your subscribers. Thank you for everyone here that loves me and is here with me, because like, I don't feel alone when I'm with you guys. You know, I have people to talk about, because, you know, this is a small town. There isn't a lot of people that are part of the LGBT community, mostly trans. And even though a lot of people here do like still support and I can talk to them about it, it's still awkward. Like I like to talk about my feelings to like people that are me, people that are trans, people that are non-binary, LGBTQ, anything like that, you know, someone that's on the spectrum like me. I like to talk to you guys, you know. I hate talking to like a cisgender about my problems or anything because they're like, oh yeah, I totally understand. No, you don't understand. You don't understand this. You don't understand that. You know, it's totally different. But you guys are amazing. I love every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, do everything. Also, hit the notification bell so you know when my videos are going to be here. And comment down below, you know, I want to hear your guys' thing. Tell me how your surgeries went, if you guys had top surgery, if you're thinking about it, if you're getting a revision, anything like that, comment down below. And I love you all, you guys. Bye.